Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 5 of chapter 3, Advanced JavaScript. In our last part, we have seen the window object. Window object is a parent object of all the other objects. Properties of window object like name, location, document, status, closed. Methods of window object: alert, confirm, prompt, open, close, blur, focus, print and set timeout function. We have also seen the examples of methods of window object. Now we are going to start our next topic, JavaScript event. Events are actions done by the user or an application that occurs on the web page. In previous year, we studied different keyboard events like on key press, on key down, on key up, and mouse events also like on click, on mouse move, on mouse out, on mouse over, etc. Similarly, there are some more events used with form objects. The table shows the event name and description. Input and other object events. On blur. It occurs when user leaves field or loses focus on an element. Next is on focus. It occurs when an element gets focus. Third is on change. It occurs when the user changes content of an element or selects drop down value. Example, for text box, password, select box, text area, etc. This event is used or occurred. Next event is on select. It occurs when the user selects some text of an element. Next is on submit. It occurs when user click submit button. Next is on reset. It occurs when user clicks reset button. On load. It occurs when page or image has been loaded. And last event is on unload. It occurs when document page has been unloaded or closes. So these are the events with the description. So these events are most useful with the form objects. Our next topic is JavaScript built-in objects. JavaScript has several built-in or core language objects. These built-in objects are available regardless of window content and operates independently on whatever page browser has loaded. These objects provide different properties and methods that are useful while creating live web pages. Let's see first built-in object, string object. String is used to store 0 or more characters of text within single or double quotes. String object is used to store and manipulate text. The table shows one property of string object, length object. The length property returns the number of characters in a string. If Pune is a string, then number of characters are 4. Now methods of string object. First method is @, stands for character @. It returns the character at the specified position. Here you have to pass the number and it returns the character at that position. Next method is index of, where O is capital. it returns the index of the first occurrences of specified character in given string, or it returns -1 if it is never occurs. So with that index you can determine if the string contains the specified character. So index of method returns the first occurrence of the entered string character. Here you have to enter the character and it returns the number, index number of that character. Next method is last indexed of, where O is capital method. Last index of method returns the index of the last occurrences of specified character in a given string. So it is useful to display last occurrence of a specified character. Next method is substr. Substr method returns the characters you specified. In substr method you have to pass two arguments. If you pass 14,7, it returns 7 characters from the 14th character. So first argument mention the starting position and second argument means number of characters will be displayed. Next method is substring method. It returns the characters you specified. In this method also you have to pass two arguments. Suppose 7 is a first argument and 14th is a second argument, so it returns all characters between the 7th and the 14th. Next method is trim method. The trim method removes white spaces from both sides of a string. And last two methods are two lowercase method and two uppercase method, where two lowercase method converts a string to lowercase and two uppercase method converts a string to uppercase. Here is one example. Suppose there is one variable str having the string information technology, and if you write document.write with message length of string is in double quote plus str.length, means if you use length property on the str variable or object, then it will return 22. The length of information technology string is 22. To output shows the length of string is 22. And in next line if you write document.write substring is double quote complete plus str.substr parenthesis 12,10, then the output will be technology, because here T is a 12th position and from that you have to display next 10 characters. So the output of str.substr 12,10 is technology string. Let's see the example of string object. First write this structure as shown in the figure. Here the script tag is used in body section, not in a head section. Define the function str. Create one button by using input type equal to button, value equal to string object, means caption of that button is string object. Use one event on click event and call the function str. Then in function write var str1 variable, str1 equal to prompt, enter the string data. In next line write document.write, the length of entered data is in double quote, use concatenate operator plus write str1 dot length, execute the code, run on the browser. You will get one button string object. When you click this button, you will get prompt to enter the value. Just enter information technology and press OK. You will get the output. The length of entered data is 22 because the length of the string information technology is 22. So one by one you add the statement in function. Write one additional line in the function. Document.write str1 plus br tag. Save the program, execute on the browser. You will get this output. Information technology, the enter string, and the length of enter data is 22. Write document.write, use br tag. In next line write document.write, in double quote write character at 7th position, close double quote. Use concatenate operator plus str1.char at 7. Here char at function of string object is applied on str1 string. Save the program, run on the browser. You will get this output. First you will get the button. Click on that button. It prompts to enter the value. Enter information technology in capital letters. Press OK. You will get this output. Information technology, the length of entered data is 22 and character at 7th position is T. Means here T is a value at 7th position. Add one line in the code. Document.write index position of F character plus str1.index of, pass the F in double quote. Here F is in small case. Means here the argument passes in index of function is small f. Save the program, run on the browser. Click on the button, enter the string information technology in capital letters, press OK. You will get -1 because small f is not in information technology. Our string is capital letter information technology. So here it doesn't find small f, so it will display -1. The output shows -1. Just run the program again and enter information technology in small case. Press OK. You will get the answer 2. The position of small f is 2, 0, 1, 2. So here you will get 2. If you pass small f and the string is small case information technology, you will get value 2. Add another lines in our code. Write document.write last position of T character, str1.last index of argument is capital T. Here in this program, last index of function of string object is used having the argument capital T. Save the program, run on the browser, click on the button, insert information technology in a text box as a capital letter, press OK. You will get this output. Now the output shows 12 because the position of T is in a 12th position. In our information technology string, there is only one capital T which is at 12th position, so output is 12. Add another 2 lines, document.write br, document.write The uppercase of string is used to uppercase function apply on str1 string. str1 dot to uppercase function. Save the program, run on the browser, enter information technology, click on OK button. You will get this output. The output shows information technology in capital letter, means to uppercase. Use to lowercase function apply on str1 dot to uppercase. Save the program, run on the browser, enter information technology in capital letters, click on OK button. Instead of information technology, insert information technology 12th science and then click on OK button. You will get information technology 12th science in small letters, lowercase. Next we will see the use of substr function. In our code add two lines, document.write br, and in next line write document.write. The substring of string is use plus concatenate operator, then write string str1 dot sub str, pass two arguments 14, 7. Save the program, run on the browser, click on the button, enter the value information technology in capital letters, click on OK. You will get this output. The output shows the string CHNOLOG, means the remaining 7 characters from the 14th position. The 14th position character is C. So the argument 14, 7 will return 7 characters from the 14th position. Here the highlighted characters is up to 13th position. So the 14th position is C. So it will display next 7 characters from the C. Use substring function apply on the variable str1 object str1. Write document.write br, document.write. The substring of string is plus str1 dot substring, pass two argument 7, 14. Save the program, run on the browser. You will get one button, click that button, enter the value information technology, press OK. You will get this output. The output shows TION space TE, means when you use substring function and pass 7, 14, so it will display the characters in between 7th position to 14th position. So in this part we have seen the string objects and use of the methods of string object, property of string object by using a program. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.